Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix CORS error in Firefox but not Chrome. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Google and search for the CORS Everywhere plugin or add-on. Now select this one, the official website of Mozilla Firefox, and pretty much over here this add-on will mostly fix your issue by selecting add to Firefox and having it into your browser and selecting OK, and pretty much having this add-on will allow the user to enable CORS everywhere by altering the HTTPS responses, and pretty much you could utilize this tool to fix your issue. Now another option guys is you could just simply go ahead and go for about :config, and now you will have this feature over here, and just simply select accept the risk and continue. And now you will have the search bar at the top, and you could just simply search for privacy.file underscore unique underscore origin. So guys, simply turning this off into false can sometimes fix your issue, so you could try it out. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and of course if you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.